Hi, KCI. Today for writing, we are going to be writing about the best pet. I think you can guess what type of animal I think the best pet is. And I'm not sure if she's going to stay for this one, but we're going to see. But I'm going to read you a book first. So this is called A Pet for Petunia, and it's about a girl who really wants a pet. And just by looking at the cover, what pet do you think she wants? Imagine wanting a pet skunk. She's going to have to do some really good convincing. Let's see what happens in A Pet for Petunia by Paul Schmid. Petunia likes skunks. No, that's not exactly right. Petunia loves skunks. They have cute little noses, they have big black eyes, they're black and white, and they have stripes. Petunia tells anyone who will listen just how perfectly awesome skunks are. So she's giving some reasons why she thinks skunks are so awesome, that they have big eyes and they have black and white stripes. Petunia wants a real pet skunk. Oh, I don't know about this. Please, 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 may I have a pet skunk? Please, she begs her parents. But, begin her parents. But Petunia isn't listening. I'll feed my skunk every day. I promise. Really, says Petunia. I'll take her for walks. Imagine taking a walk outside your neighborhood and seeing someone walk a pet skunk. That would be so silly. I'll read stories to Skunky and draw her pictures. You'll see, says Petunia. Petunia assures her parents she will clean the skunk's litter box too. Every week, day, hour, whatever, promise. Please, 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 may I have a pet skunk, please? I can give one good reason why maybe a skunk is not a good pet. Are you thinking of the same reason I am? They might smell. What? Why not? They stink, says her parents. Stink? How can you say that? They don't stink. They're cute. This is so not fair. I'll tell you what stinks. This stinks. You just don't love me. That's what it is. They do not stink. Stink my foot. You want to see stink? I'll show you stink. You don't know how much I love skunks. I need a pet skunk. I'll die if I don't have a pet skunk. You said no when I wanted a python too. I bet Katie's parents would get her a skunk. Why did I have to get born into this family? I bet skunks smell great. Well, I'm not giving up. A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. With such disappointing lunkheads for parents, naturally, Petunia must leave home. I don't know if she's doing great problem solving here. I'll live in the woods, thinks Petunia. I'll get eaten by a bear, then they'll let me have my pet skunk. If you were Petunia's parents, would you let her have a pet skunk? I don't think I would either. Petunia follows a path to some trees, and there, on the path, is a skunk. Black and white, cute little nose, big black eyes, stripes. Petunia stares at the skunk. The skunk stares at Petunia. Petunia gives a joyful gasp. And with that gasp, Petunia smells the worst smell she has ever smelled in her entire life. It is not a small smell. It is not even a big smell. It is a stink. Oh my goodness. Guess her parents were right. An awful stink, a horrible stink, a humongous stink. Tears flood Petunia's eyes. A lump bulges in her throat. Petunia turns. She runs back home, runs to her room, into her bed. At least the skunk didn't spray her. Could you imagine? It's a while before Petunia can speak. Skunks are so awesome, she whoops. Petunia giggles and adds, awesomely stinky. Then, gazing at big black eyes, a cute little nose, and stripes, 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 Petunia decides she already has a perfectly awesome pet. Until she sees that absolutely, totally major, sweet porcupine. What do you think might happen? It's the end of the book. But knowing Petunia, what do you think is going to happen now that she spots the porcupine? And why do you think this animal may not be a good pet either? All right, so we are going to write about what we think the best pet is. So if you look at my next video, I'm going to show you what I write, and then you're going to try it too. Okay, good luck, my friends.